I was wondering if anybody could help me. This is what happens. Car won't start, no crank, there's no even fuel pump noise. So, it's on. That's the lights on. And now we'll just put it all the way around. That's lights going off. Everything, nothing at all. Don't know what it could be. Try it once more. And just go around here. That red light bleeping away. I don't know if the immobiliser has kicked in, the car would start. I don't know what is happening. So if anybody's got a Volvo V40 or a Volvo, get any idea, please leave a comment. Thanks very much. Just turn this once more. See, the lights just go off. There's absolutely nothing. Okay, thank you.